If you're configuring your access control in PDK.io and you find yourself mixing up partitions and groups, don't worry. Let's talk about the differences between these two features. Groups are used to provide multiple people with shared access rules, while partitions are used to break down a larger system into smaller systems, providing individual control for different segments of a building. Creating a partition does not allow you to set any specific access rules. All you are doing when creating a partition is determining which users have the ability to access to which devices. Now you can add a group to a partition. This allows the group to utilize that partition's devices in accordance to the group's specified rules. It will also allow the members of that group to be managed by the managers of that specific partition. I hope that clears things up. If you want more information on groups and partitions, check out some of our other videos in this how-to series. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.